How to add JotForm to WIX. First, log into your JotForm account and open the form you want to add to your WIX site. At the top of the page, you'll see a button that says Publish. Click on it. In the left-hand menu, you'll find an option called Platforms. Click on it. Use the search bar to type WIX. When WIX appears in the list, click on it. Click on the button that says Copy Code. This will copy the necessary code to your clipboard. Open a new tab and log into your WIX account. Go to your WIX dashboard. Click on the Edit Site button to open the WIX editor. Go to the page where you want to add your JotForm. Look for the plus icon in the upper left corner of the editor. Click on it. A menu will pop up. Hover your mouse over Embed Code and then click on Embed HTML. A box for HTML settings will appear. Paste the code you copied from JotForm into this box. Click Update to apply the changes, then close the HTML settings. You can now see your form on the page. Adjust its size by clicking and dragging the edges until it looks just right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button in the upper right corner of the WIX editor. This will make your changes live on your website. That's all there is to it. Your JotForm is now live on your WIX site. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.